Indonesia ranked second in the Asia Pacific for used cooking oil production. Unfortunately, 90% of the UCO ends up in drains or the trash, polluting our environment. At noovoleum, we're changing that. Our vision is clear: to be the leading partner for renewable fuels producers worldwide by sustainably supplying high-quality used cooking oil. We are utilizing advanced AI technology. Our ucollect box makes recycling effortless. It automatically identifies and collects used cooking oil, rewarding contributors with credits redeemable via our ucollect app. Our operations currently span Palembang, the island of Java, and extend to Bali with continuous expansion plans underway, powered by the support of our strategic partners, Alfamart and Pertamina, and over 500 collaborators, including KLHK, BRIN, Sinar Mas Land, BAZNAS, and more. noovoleum engages with schools, organizations, and businesses across different sectors, empowering everyone to be a green champion. Join us today. Download the ucollect app, visit a ucollect box with your used cooking oil, and start your journey as a green energy champion with noovoleum. Together, let's make every effort count towards a sustainable future.